It's about to go down. It literally went down.
Back with another video.
Hi.
Ryder, Callie.
Look at my tablet.
Look at his tablet. Say happy Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas, y'all. So today we're gonna do some tacos. She wants the candy. It's Taco Tuesday, so we're gonna make tacos today. And me and Jamar are gonna have Chipotle inspired burrito bowls because I'm not eating a tortilla. As you can see, I have on workout stuff. I'm trying to lose some weight, y'all. You know how I feel about this chin. It's driving me insane. So I decided to start doing a little healthier kick with like cutting carbs, basically. I'm cutting a lot of carbs. And I started now. I'm like, why wait for the new year? Let's get it going now. New Year's resolution. Get it out the way. Start it out now. So basically, I gotta grab a couple of things for the burrito bowls. So we're gonna go do that. And let's do these Taco Tuesday, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I just left the grocery store. I had to run to the car wash because the kids had my back floors of my car a mess from eating chips. Yep, they're eating chips now. But I'm saying it was so much. He got his chips. When I say it was so many crumbs on my back floor of my car, it hadn't been vacuumed because I have this membership at this car wash, but the vacuums are always freaking packed. So I'm like, it's cold as heck today. Let me see if people are gonna be here like that. So it wasn't that bad. I was able to get in and out. So I had to do that because the back seat of my car, I wouldn't even show you guys what the back seat of my car looks like because little kids don't give a F about nothing. So they just back there eating chips, enjoying life. But that backseat looks ridiculous. All right, y'all, we about to get up out of here. All right, guys, I'm about to start the recipe for you guys. The actual ingredients and everything is gonna be down below, but this is just gonna show you me making the food. So if you want the full recipe, make sure you look in the description box. The marinade for the meat. So I'm gonna get this on the chicken and I'm gonna let you guys see it, and then I'm gonna marinate it for like an hour. While the meat is marinating, I'm gonna do the other stuff. So this is the marinade for my meat. I'm doing steak and chicken, so let's go. Seasonings. Hold on, let me turn this one so you can see it. Seasonings. This. One second. Nobody else eats guacamole but me, so, and I wanted some, so I made this. That was super easy. You guys see how quick that was. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Make sure you put your pit back in so it doesn't get brown. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator so that I can let it chill off while I do everything else. I gotta go check the rice, y'all. Rice, just plain white rice. Half of a lemon, half of a lime. I'm gonna pour it in. Cilantro, I'm gonna pour it in. Cilantro, a little bit of lime juice, some salt. To taste, you salt to taste, whatever, however you want yours to taste. Salt to taste. That's the rice. I'm about to start on the chicken because I'm pretty much almost done. I just gotta cut up my lettuce and grill my chicken, and we're pretty much done. So then I'll put everything together for you guys. I also wanted to tell you guys that the children are having options. Like Riley's probably gonna want regular tacos, and then the babies are really picky. So like Ryder will probably eat just the chicken and rice, and then Callie will probably eat the chicken and beans because that's just how they are. So once I get everything together, everybody plated, I'll show you guys that too. All right, as y'all can see, I got my little grill set up. So I'm gonna start cooking the meat. I'm grilling up the last little bit of meat. I did want to show you guys the other stuff that I have that I didn't show you preparing, but of course you got lettuce for the bottom, and then we got beans and corns, and I also forgot to there's Ryder. I also forgot to tell you guys that when I marinated the meat, I put olive oil in there too so that the meat doesn't stick on the grill. This grill I think I got from Best Buy. It's like a grill and a griddle. I got it from Best Buy. I use it a lot. I make like hibachi with it on the griddle side. But it's easy because it's like 20-30 degrees outside. I'm not grilling nothing outside, y'all. So I'm gonna finish this up. Look, I done messed my hair up cooking. I'm gonna finish all of this up, and I'm gonna show you guys the bowls, and I'm probably gonna show you the kids stuff later maybe because nobody's home. It's still early, but I wanted to get everything over and done with. I like to have dinner done early so that I don't have to do that. So yeah, almost done cooking the chicken up. All right, y'all. The kids, that's Callie's plate, Ryder's plate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. If you need any further details on the recipe, you can go ahead and leave comments down below. Make sure you share this video, subscribe, comment, you know, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when we post new videos. All right, guys, thank you for watching.